Hello friends, today we will show you how the image is formed in case of concave lens. Let us find. Here we have taken a concave lens. Concave lens means that thinner in the middle and wider at the side. This is a concave lens. This is our object. We have taken a candle and this is the screen. Here you see, we have taken this one. Here you see, we are seeing the image of the candle. Let us find the image of the candle. Here you see, we got the image of the candle. The image of the candle is, you see, it is erect, and it is an erect. You see, this one is erect, virtual, and smaller in size than the object. Here you see, this image is smaller than the size of the object. Here you see this one. In case of concave lens, you find the image is virtual. That is, it cannot be taken on a screen. And the image is erect also. You see, this is erect. And it cannot be. And the size of the image is smaller than the object. Here you see. You see this one? You are seeing that the image is erect, it is virtual, and the image is smaller than the size of the object. Right? That means we can come to the conclusion that in case of concave mirror, the image formed is virtual, that is, it cannot be taken on a screen. It is erect and it is also smaller than the object. You see, we have written here. You see what a clear picture it is. Picture is very clear. You see the candle flame. You can see here that the image formed by a concave lens is virtual. That is, it cannot be taken on a screen. It is erect and also smaller in size than the object. Here you see, this is our object. This image is smaller in size. You see, this is our object, right? And you see in the image, it is smaller in size than the object, right? Now I show you here also. In case of concave lens, the image formed in a concave lens is virtual. That is, it cannot be taken on a screen. It is erect. And also it is smaller in size than the object. Right? You see this one? The picture is very clear. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.